Hi guys, today we're gonna make macaroni. So I'm going to be using my ingredients: paprika, macaroni, with tomato basil sauce, homestyle sauce, Floria, sea salt, and garlic.
So I let the water come to a boil. Then I add oil. Little bit of oil. No need too much. Then I add a little bit of salt. Then I continue to let it boil a little bit with the oil in there. And I start cutting up my little garlic. I never mentioned, but also garlic. Not only in powder form, I use it. Garlic. This garlic that I'm making here, this is to add to my ingredients. I make my own sauce. That's another part that you guys are gonna see in the video. I like to make my own sauce. Although the sauce is already the tomato basil, I like to add ingredients to it. So what I do is, boom, put the sauce in here, separate from of course, you don't mix that together. Little bit of garlic. A little bit of paprika. Put my garlic in there. Now mix it real good right here. The water's ready to be set with the macaroni. I haven't heated this up yet, so when I put this at a little bit over medium high. But this you have to be always on point because it'll start squirting up, so you have to stay on top of it. As you can see, everything is set red. Now, we'll drop the macaroni. When you put it in, it's important. Very important. Mix it. So it doesn't get stuck together and they don't get stuck also on the bottom. Always mix them. Occasionally mix them. So about like every 2 minutes check them.
There he goes with that green rag again. If he ain't got OCD, then I don't know what OCD is. He's losing his mind.
Yes, I got the green flag again. Yes, I did.
I occasionally stir every 2 minutes, making sure it doesn't get stuck together, checking on the texture. You want it to be really soft. That way when you eat it, you're not eating anything that's hard that could mess up your stomach. I mix good the sauce too. I keep stirring it because when it comes to a boil, they start sprinkling everywhere. You don't want that to happen, so you want to make sure you're stirring it correctly. More than the macaroni actually. And once it starts flaring, you put the little cover on top and you lower down the heat.
Now I'm gonna start heating up that sauce. The sauce is very fast always, my friends. The longest process here is this, which is about 12 minutes. You want to make sure that they're soft. You don't want it to come out hard. Always mix it good to make sure before you start eating that all the ingredients are really attached. Cover it now. Lower the heat. Next step, I drain it. Drain it right here. The next step is add the sauce. Turn off the heat. Give it a good little mix. Then I add my favorite part, the cheeses. That we'll be using home style Parmesan, Parmesan cheese. Give it a good mix.
I've mixed it real well to have all the flavors come together.
Product. Ta-da! Hope you guys liked and enjoyed my video. Tune in for the next one. Haha.